Alright everybody, here's the first item we're going to unbox. And it's called Sonic the Hedgehog. James Marsden and Jim Carrey. Blu-ray, DVD, plus digital.
You'll see the front artwork in the slipcover.
There's Sonic the Hedgehog.
Here the front.
Side. Other side. On the back. There's matching cover and disc case, right buddy?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can open it up and see what's inside.
Can you move closer?
Mm-hmm. There we go. There's our promo pack and our disc, right buddy?
Yeah. And there's a DVD and the Blu-ray disc.
Alright, DVD and Blu-ray. Let's see what other treasures you have.